this, Robin. Joker send man come kill me, and you saved me and dead like dog. And you should have been the next Batman, Robin.
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day.
You're always looking for a father, but I can never be a father.
Pussy, all the thing me done with you. Me have to kill you so Joker can give me the toast in a sardine and the mackerel.
My youth, you sound like a hungry belly pussy. I thought about mackerel. Then I saw you one love bumbo clot in mackerel and sardine. Sam TV couldn't find one better vice gear. You sound like a list tongue Spider-Man.
This has been a rat. What did you put for me? You think me afraid of boom pussy?
I hope you should have hope you. I said dopey bad for you. It's red butter.
Bumbo clot, you
man a bad man. Man and a bad man. The whole of them fool and the whole of them a try.
Hey, that green beast boy, give me this pussy hole. I got frame Batman.
I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman.
The man and a bad man.
There's a natural mystic flowing through the air.
You pass. Hey Mikey, how much damage know ya? No, I get double six now. No cowabunga. Hey Batman. Hey Batman, you wrath, pussy. I'm Batman. Batman, what kind of fuck with that, bro? Cowabunga class.
You know the badness.
Yeah, we only do the murder. Still have to the journal. I ask you before we get our learners.
Cowabunga.
We only do the murder.
And that man. Yo, what kind of fuck with that Batman going with you? Come mash up the domino game. Me could go get him cowabunga hole. And that man.
Boy, squad, we should have work, you know, but the liquor is sweet, man.
And that man.
What about the bomber clot? What the Batman that? Squad, me could go kill him.
And that man.
Yeah, we only do the murder. Paparazzi legit in the
Murderer different from troublemaker.
Pussy hole, I can't get squawk or your kitchen shut. Now we make everybody hate you. Them a come kill you.
My youth, oh yeah, follow me up, so. You love pussy clot, man. Them set your bumba blood clot for me.
Stop follow me up, stop follow me up.
Pussy hole, Batman.
You a call me names up.
Me just play it.
Pussy hole, I'm Batman.
You a call me names up. When you a call me names up.
Show yourself like a bus of foot.
You know who you are wrong with. Just easy yourself on it.
Pussy hole, Batman, you're coward.
One bat. I'm Batman.
Follow me up.
Oh, you did Mr. Strong Dog. For yesterday, I fuck up my chest plate like I know some man of asthma. So the contract killer couldn't do the job, eh?
Bumba hole, nobody can kill me. I'm in star the show. I'm the main character.
See the real killer there?
None of them are bad like Lord Evil. Them talk evil, but them heart feeble.
Me blood clot Ultron, Rossi, or River Transform.
Now look at this little robot bitch. You know you're dead, right?
Bitch like under your robot mama. Come, let's go.
I'm gonna run this town tonight.
Bitch, you know me?
Me no need to know you. Me just need to know how to kill you.
Wow, that's cute. Wow, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute too.
Make shot fight them like make them drop move on the blast.
Surrender and live, or start war and bumbo clot dead.
Run, Rossi, run. Him too bad. You gotta get out of here.
Not under my dead robot body.
You are go pussy clot dead then.
I'm a real and it only kick him like I'm a Rihanna. Smoke this tell that Rihanna shoot them.
Hold still so me can kill your pussy.
You weak like blood clot rat.
Loud eagle, shiver to the broad eagle.
This bitch is so weak. Bring me some of this.
Oh my God, you kill Rossi. You bastard.
Come here, boy. You know me? Me a go peel off your bad face.
We got a butt soup later.
Your breath smell like robot shit. Let me go.
We ain't giving up.
Hey boy, come here. Come work for me and me give you tooth in a sardine and a mackerel.
Oh, you can.
Bumba will you look like me hungry? Batman, you have to get up. Me not think Bumblebee alone can angle Ultron.
Yo, man, you wake me up for. You don't see me I go like me dead. Because me no want him come kill me too. Go and go take care of Rossi. Me will help Bumblebee.
Wow, that's cute. But you punch like a fucking bitch. Come here, boy. You know me? You and your sister is so weak. Surrender and live, or start war and Bumbleclad dead.
Loud evil, she bout to the broad eagle.
Pussy will tell me how to defeat Ultron.
Yeah, we're more the wrong thing. See, people are back away yet.
He wasn't me. I know me.
Why you going around causing so much problem? You think your blood clot special? You must think your bat shit can make party. You is a dirty bat.
Would you not kill me, please?
Whosoever holds of this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor.
Hey, don't make nobody tell you no special. Get a trophy too, we do it young, we want every medal.
Bumblebee.